Alright, we're going to give this a test with them wheel weights, the hex adapters, but I also have the new Hot Racing, the axles that make it wider. I think 4 millimeters on each side or 5. So we're going to see how it does on the little rock course here. See how it goes. Oops. These rocks are very hard. And this over here, there's no way I'm getting over this, but let's give it a go. See if I can get down by the side of it. That just jammed you, so let's just skip that. Start out up here. Look at the flex on that beauty. This is gonna be tricky here. Oh! This is another hard rock. I can't really get up there, so I'll put it over here. This is just a wall. It ain't no special made course here, so it's hard. That was nice. See, this over here again is really flat, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to get up there. Let's give it a go. Whoa, high stepping up. Oh, this is going to be deadly. I knew it. That's hard. And if I gun it, there we go. Let's see. Oh, try this. Now, let's see if we could get over this right here. Whoa. I'm gonna try to back up here. That's a nice shot. That's going to be the thumbnail right there. Easy. Feels like my steering's a little weak now. I may have to tighten up my servo saver. I think I might have loosened it by accident. This is gonna be hairy. See if I could get up this rock here. That was nice. There's like nowhere I could go. So I'm just gonna try to get up this. Whoa, I think my tire's stuck in a wedge. Yep, and my tire is stuck in there. Alright, let's try heading back. See if I can get back. It's too steep over there. There we go. There's no way. I knew it. Alright. Next one here. I'm gonna back up a little bit here. Fell right in there. Look at the tires flexing. That was good. Check out that. Let's see. Axle twister. I don't know about this one here. Oh, I don't think I could get over that unless I go out over here. This could be deadly. Oh yeah, she got it. Gap across this rock. Oh, look at that. Like a spider. It's doing good. This is gonna be deadly. I knew it. I always fall in this ditch here. You ain't getting past that. Try over here. Stretch home. Oh, there you have it, guys. Whoa. Looks like the wheel weights work pretty good. It keeps it down. I can feel the tires grabbing harder from the extra weight. It's a little more planted. A wider stance helps a little bit also. Let me check my... Yeah, my servo saver is really loose. You could see it there. I gotta tighten that up. But that's the test, guys. Looks like all them products work really good. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Hit that bell so you don't miss future videos. Leave a comment. Be awesome. If you have any questions, I'll try to answer them. Shen RC. We'll see you next time. Beauty.